Edward Witcher with very bean pie cosplay as Musa from Winx Club.
Close your eyes and open your heart.
With Fairy Dog in the background. That would have been Christmas 2021. When this was a factor.
We are the Winx, we are the Winx, come join the club, we are the Winx.
If we could have been here, I think Nick's hormone music at the time would be like.
One day I'm gonna find a way to change now.
I mean, what happened? This event happened 30 years ago. December 19th, 91. You still would have saw Matt Wilson appearing in his final episode. 30 years later, Matt Benedetto gets released from Wood Brothers Racing in favor for Harrison Burton. Pollyanna. Lemonsick. Used by Home and Away early years. Someone in the 1997 wardrobe department really loved lime green. And there it is. Rebecca Fisher. Belinda Emmett. Meanwhile,
Davina in a soap opera? Would that make Al Savage say besties? Or what?
yeah, Evan would slay everyone in Asgard. Rust and Cindric. Both guys coming at the same time. Later gets glasses in the second year. Much like how Magenta gets glasses. From Blue's Clues. 0 like Sonic. Yet 0 has seen everything to do with this.
Why should he? Face it, Damien.
Forget anyone. Please. Do you want to look at the charm point photo? You betcha.
That's why they call it puppy love. No kimochi. Yeah, apari koita ne puppy love.
In 99, I will officially reopen the
魔法と一緒にいたいよ。あなたと
And now I must step up because I know that's all we got. I must
Every time you cry, save up all your tears.
As long as I'm alive, I'm gonna promote the eye. And no matter how many people try to use or diffuse it, it ain't nothing like hip-hop music.
Hey there, it's Nixx from Chaotic Passion, and I can dance to this.
Tap, tap the window, someone's throwing stones into somebody.
Nyx is known for seeing this. Super Cutie Dino World. We all know your name. And also, crap, I don't think Charm Point has seen this. But Meloders. In May. Also Dead Online. Nyx. Ethna McCorkey. Darling Drammy. With silent harmonies. And Earthy Basil.